I mean in Roman when Havelata Mala aware Pamawes adi Hela Butenis home health care mana adi Mawela PCA CFSS da aware homemaking mana the Paula the thing aware in mana again PCA program name Taka Payla Akone Nidibaki Philogidala CFSS aware Palamana Akone the male PCA the name of Mitamani Nidibani with a Junibaki Chotadala CFSS the Clealer Papiki PCA program.
Yeah, so we've been in business for about 14 years and we've worked with a vast different group of communities. And we offer like all types of insurance providers. So whatever insurance you have, you can work with us. And currently we're looking for new clients to come with us and we'll give you the best service that we can. And currently we're paying up to $22.50 an hour, which is kind of above the industry rate. So, please join us and we would love to work with you and represent, everything that you guys stand for.
Adu PCA Ruvla ine obaja tchiluni limona adu matakora da kalu duko midela ahone da pay ne adu PCA ne adu hidu panya lale dila kichiki bara yeshise mana one ani opa PCA jojo de mana ahone adu ada wala pa mobile pa tomegi pala adu hele di orane adi kwel muga ko adela adi ka machana dila gi ketala mana.
Yeah, and lastly, we're also hiring RNs and LPNs and social workers. So if you're a registered nurse or something and if you're looking for employment, feel free to reach out. Our booth is back there, so we're offering free prizes, free chatpate, if you know what that is. It's like a Nepali snack. And we have games over there too. So feel free to come over there, check us out, learn more about us, and we'd love to connect with you as well.
Okay, they who are registered nurse, nurse like a malala did. Nadime ado matakora dine aware le who tadile adi tell the tilimana.
Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Yuba. I'm also from Bhutanese Home Healthcare Services. We're also doing a special $500 bonus. So if you come to our company from now to the next 2 months, you automatically get in a raffle to win $500.
Amine Yuba, akoni kane adimawe. Tabu me mana dakhala nadi me pone ne tile po ahuni pala hele di ora ne mana adi PC le pala hele di ol dir phane adi ka bo me ahuni di me tabu me ge me pone de ni ye po ya mana tabu ko na